Good day, everyone. My name is James Ronquillo, and I am in grade 9 online. My topic for this short video is how we can show love and understanding to everyday heroes, people with disabilities. In this video, I will discuss three things. First, what a person with a disability is. Second, what not to do when interacting with people with disabilities. And third, what we can do to show compassion and understanding toward them. So, what exactly is a person with a disability? A disability is something that limits a person's abilities. Because of this, people with disabilities may experience more difficulty performing tasks that others may find easy or normal. Some people have physical abilities which can affect movement or their senses. Examples include blindness, deafness, being mute, or having difficulty walking. Other disabilities affect a person's mental or neurological abilities. For example, ADHD affects their focus and attention span. OCD can cause excessive overthinking, and dyslexia can make reading, writing, or communicating more challenging. The last thing people with disabilities want is to feel like an outcast or like they do not belong. That's why it is important to know what not to do. One thing we should avoid is making them feel like something is wrong with them, whether intentionally or not. We should not stare, make jokes, use offensive words, or treat them as if they are incapable of doing anything on their own. We should also avoid talking down to them or assuming that they always need help. Now let's talk about what we can do to show our love, compassion, and understanding. First off, we should treat people with disabilities with respect, just like we would treat anyone else. A simple act of kindness, such as being patient, listening, or offering help when they need it, can make a big difference. Second, we should educate ourselves about different abilities so we can better understand what others may be going through. Lastly, we should include them, whether in conversations, activities, or friendships, because everyone deserves to feel valued and accepted. In conclusion, people with disabilities are everyday heroes. Despite the challenges they face, they continue to live their lives with strength, courage, and determination. By showing kindness, respect, and understanding, we can help create a world where everyone feels loved and included. Thank you for listening.